Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is the Forest of Enchantment Oracle. Now one of the best-selling decks that we do have in store, and I mean it's literally in our top 20, is the Forest of Enchantment Tarot deck. So it's an accompaniment, if you like, really, but you can obviously use it as a standalone. It's written by Lunia Weatherstone and also illustrated by Moralia Allwood. I think that's how you say her name. That's a magnetic clip box like this. Publishers are Llewellyn, so we know we're getting experience in the deck. The thing that really describes it to me is you've got this gorgeous book that goes with it, but here it is at the beginning of the introduction. That was like, that summarizes it. And actually many oracle decks, to be honest. So in fairy tales, there are 4 reasons why a person might venture into the forest, because this is the forest, the Forest of Enchantment. They have a quest or task, they are fleeing from danger, they seek a treasure, or they are lost. What happens next determines the progress of the tale, what they see, who they meet, what they find, and what they choose to do. And so it is with our lives. Sometimes we pursue a goal, sometimes we get into a sticky situation, sometimes we have unfulfilled desires, and sometimes we are just lost. A wise oracle provides keys to unlock understanding and influence the progress of our tale. So I think that that is just such a wonderful explanation to this deck, and also all oracle decks. So then you go into the section of like getting to know the deck. You can see it's beautifully illustrated. Then you have some spreads, how to use the cards. And then what I like about these cards is each and every one of them has the description of the card, and then also has the oracle's advice, and then the lawkeeper's note. So you'll have 2 extra components. Now on every single one, if you're in a rush and you want to pull your daily card, then you have got the meaning of the card written here for you. So for example, with the Wild Hunt, it would be chaos, confusion. You can see that in the card, can't you? Radical but temporary upset, panic, restless responses, stay safe, wait it out. Now there are 36 cards, very similar, well, it's the same number of cards that you have for a Lenormand deck. I wonder if there's any correlation there. So let's have a look at the cards so you can see they are a good size for an oracle, just a normal oracle size, obviously much larger than a tarot. I can shuffle, but I would need to do it this way because I have smaller hands. Backs are all through the enchanted doorway, so it takes you through the door. Excuse the overheads, the lights today. It's a very dull day here. Let me see if I can get it here so that you can see. Now, as I always say with all of the videos, is that you can slow me down or speed me up. You are in control of the video through the settings, I think it is. That's the wonderful thing about YouTube. That, and it allows me to reach you with these lovely decks, tarot scopes, and also the tutorials. Slight plug, I've been told to do it actually. If you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would be wonderful. I do the unboxings, but I also do the tarot scopes every month, and I do the tutorials. I'm about to add a lot of tutorials actually. So if you also hit the bell, then you'll be notified every single time I release something, which is in fits and starts. I need to be a bit more regular with it, really. It's time, isn't it? The one thing we always don't have enough of. Let me know what you think in the comments. I mean, I think that these are going to be absolutely your cup of tea. So you've got, I love this, look, you've got the "you are" here, so like a map. Oh, dragon's nest. They're very glossy, so that might be the only thing is on the playback. It might be. Oh, the stone hairs. How wonderful. Now the white lady. There is a white lady on the cliffs of Linton in Devon, where I live, and it's very similar to this outcropper, and it's on the cliff face. It's a big walk. I'm not very fond of walking cliffs, but I used to live up there at some point in my distant past, and it was quite something to see. The views are stunning from there. So you could check that out if you want to. The White Lady in Linton. Lynton in Devon in England. For those of you that aren't from this country. I think they're just stunning, don't you? And obviously you've got all of the... So let's just pick a random one and we'll see how that would work. I like that one particularly. Should we have a look at the File of Light? And it's the File of Light. At the back here. No, that's the feather. Where are we? There we go. So this illuminates the situation, vanquishes darkness of spirit. So you would get it, you would pull the card and it would say, though exceedingly rare and precious, the File of Light is not fragile and it may be safely carried in a pocket. It is activated by a combination of touch and a magic word that will be given to you along with the file. Do not write this word down. It is unlikely you will have more than one File of Light in your lifetime. So keep it safe. The intensity of the light will vary according to your need, from a comforting glow to a battle-stopping blast of brilliance. Meditative, I guess, is that you would meditate on it. So uses: illuminating dark situations, both literal and metaphorical, announcing your presence with a flourish, claiming authority to take command. Files are not transferable upon your passing, death journey to the west, etc. The file will gently shatter and the shards melt away. I just flip. So we've got the mushroom picnic here as well, which is lighten up, a change of plans, creative solutions, adaptability, that's it. Making the best of things, finding this. Please forgive me, it's very early here. So you've got here, don't let unforeseen changes spoil things, adapt, make the best of the situation. So you can kind of see how these would work. And you will be drawn to them or not. Okay, so that is the Forest of Enchantment Oracle. I know quite a few of you have got the Forest of Enchantment Tarot. So let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.